Hello everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're making sausage balls. And listen, these sausage balls, they are a family tradition. My mom has been using this recipe, well, for as long as I can remember. And I think she got it from the back of a Bisquick box way back when. It's just such a good recipe, so I'm excited to make these with you today. You will need 1 pound of a breakfast pork sausage, some Bisquick, and then some jarred Cheez Whiz. Now this is the Aldi brand of cheese dip. Then 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and 1/2 cup of milk. And I'm just going to add this sausage to a mixing bowl. And then add the cheese dip. All right, so I know that the Cheez Whiz, the jarred cheese, can be somewhat controversial. If you don't want to use it, just add extra shredded cheddar cheese and extra milk. But I do have to tell you that the Cheez Whiz is what really gives these sausage balls their cheesy flavor. Here's a little trick for you. I'm putting my milk inside my jar. Just gonna shake it up just to make sure I get all that cheese out. Then add the shredded cheese and then 4 cups of the Bisquick. All right, I'm putting on a glove and giving this a mix. And then add 1 more cup of the Bisquick. Spraying my baking sheet with some nonstick spray. Then I'm using a scoop here to form my sausage balls. Then bake in a 400-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. I really do hope that you give these sausage balls a try. Well, thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can see all of my upcoming holiday recipes. God bless, and I will see you next time.